Hi guys, welcome back. Today we've got a quick clean here, and then I'm going to actually talk a little bit more about my journey to this channel, and we're going to end off with some positive doggy videos. So a little bit of everything today. Figured it's going to be a nice Thursday where we need a little variety, so here we go.
Stones into the sea. I'll give you some long time. I need to go catch a high tide, 'cause I don't feel free. So I'm letting you know where I want to be. Driving by the shore, listening to a broken radio. Skyline neon lights are waking up the rangers of the night. Designated life, driving by the shore.
So my name is Allie, and I used to work in HR, and I got married last year, about a year ago, and my husband takes care of his mother because she can no longer work, and his sister, so my sister-in-law, she is low functioning autistic. So we take care of them. Financially, we take care of them. We go over there, we check in on them, things like that. My husband works really hard. He works in the technology industry, and he doesn't have time to check on them as much as he used to. And we decided that for us it would be best for me to stay home and to go and check on them, to take out her trash, to help her get groceries if she needs to, and just kind of spend time with them and hang out with them and make sure that they're doing okay. So that's kind of how this whole thing started, that I was going to be a stay-at-home wife. And there's a lot of stigma with that. A lot of people are like, oh, so you're gonna sit home and not do anything. And I'm like, well, actually, I have a big list of things that I actually want to get done. So I started my YouTube channel. I started these cleaning projects because our apartment's a mess and because no one had time to clean anything. So everything is disorganized, and over the next couple months I'm going to get the house completely reorganized. One of the first big projects I'm going to work on is our kitchen. Our kitchen is a mess. So I'm going to work on that, and that's just one aspect of things that I'm going to be doing. I also, I've never had time to, get the proper doctor checkups and going to the dentist and, doing errands. If my husband needs something to get picked up, I can go do that, or his mom needs something, I can go do that. If they have a doctor visit, his mom or his sister, then I can take them to that. My dog has a grooming appointment, guess what? I can get that done. It's interesting because I have two grandmothers that are retired right now, so they understandably are super excited about this transition, because that means that I can hang out with them and spend some time with them and actually get to work on my family relationships that I haven't had any time to because I've been working a full-time job. And I really feel like this is a good transition for me, and it's going to be very interesting, and it's also really scary because we went from having two incomes down to one income. And though I'm in charge of the bills, so I kind of know where everything's going, and I know that we can budget well and get it done, it's still extremely scary to take this step, and it's extremely scary to put yourself out there on YouTube and kind of see if that goes anywhere. And my thing is, if it doesn't go anywhere, then that's fine, because I'm not doing this just for YouTube. I'm doing this for our family, to have our family have some stability, to have the time to spend with people I actually truly care about, and helping out my husband in a way where he can focus on his work and he really enjoys it and he never stops talking about it. So having that stability at home, I think, will help our relationship, because a lot of times, we're so busy that the weekends really just get taken up by cleaning the apartment and doing laundry and catching up about, how our weeks went, and we don't actually get time for ourselves. We don't get time to actually do the things that we want to do together, spend time together, and really work on a relationship. So I'm really excited to see how this goes and how it works, and I'm excited to have you guys kind of come along this journey with me, and we'll see what kind of things come out of this. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a lot of cleaning videos, because cleaning and organizing is kind of my number one priority over the next couple months, but I also don't really know how to cook. that many things. So I'm going to be trying out some new recipes. So I might upload some of those videos of me just trying to make a dish. And maybe I'll take you over to, you know, my in-laws' place and kind of show you what life is like there. I'm not sure. We'll kind of see how things go, but I am doing this for me and not for anyone else. So that, I think, is what makes this different, that I'm not trying to impress anyone. I'm not trying to, you know, be the best YouTuber out there, because there's a lot of good YouTubers, and YouTube is kind of one of those things that I don't really know much about, but I think it's something that could be really helpful in, you know, talking to somebody about what's going on and how this transition is affecting me could be really cool. And I think, you know, I can't be the only one out there who's like, I have no kids, but I really am needed at home and I don't need to be working a full-time job. And that's kind of the position I'm in. Like, I don't have kids. I have a dog, and he's great. His name is Theodore. I'm sure you've seen him in my videos. But for the most part, I don't have to work, and it's more beneficial for my family not to work, because we weren't gaining enough money with my job that it was really honestly beneficial for our apartment, for our relationship, for our family life to fall apart. So that's kind of where we're at now, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy what comes out of this channel.
How I love the way